Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will be gasping in awe at all the amazing people who have done fan art for me. Thank you so much. You don't know how grateful I am. Well, we're starting with Hunter Fan. Wow, this is adorable. I love this. Thank you. It is so cute. Now let's go with Camo Carno. Traditional art is so hard. Most of these I'm speechless because everything's Lilac Art Studios. You are so amazing. This piece is so whoa! I love this so much. I cried when I saw it. Rainflower Cat, you're so amazing. Posing. This is too wow. Golden Rose, you're so kind. Thank you so much. He just can't. This is just so cute. This is just adorable. Thank you. These are just random noises because this is so good. Again, Golden Rose, you're so amazing. Star this piece is so adorable and I love it. I love the colors and I even used this for the official Crenu design for a while. You're so awesome. Don't ever get dismotivated again. Wolpa. I cried when I saw this piece. It is so lovely. And of course he needed an extension for the contest, which now will be extended by a day. You must submit by tomorrow. Yeah, so wow, this is so cute. I'm just speechless for most of these. Thank you, Starm. I hope I do fulfill my dream. Regalios, this is the first piece of Crenu fan art ever. Regalios, thank you so much. You don't know how happy it made me. Crystal Knight. Those are my noises of. This is just so good. I love this so much. You're so underrated. This is just so good. I'm freaking out just by looking at this. Unmistakable Crescent. You know, it was once my dream that you made fan art for me. And my dream came true. Thank you so much. This meant a lot to me. You inspire me a lot. Thank you. This is awesome. I love this. Regalios, I know YouTube killed the quality. It happens to me all the time, but this is by the way, in the competition results coming up on Saturday, there's something gonna be called a boost, which you can skip one of the rounds. Wink. This piece is just so amazing. They're posting everything. Dean. I've loved your channel for as long as I can remember. Well, not as long, but for a very long time. And I cried when I saw this. You're Dean. You're Dean. Dean. Like the one and only Dean. Made fan art for me. Crenu. Like, you can't imagine how happy I felt. Now with Maplepaw fan art. This is officially the most adorable piece of art I've ever seen, Regalios. With a base Bailey pin. I cried and yelled and like, is it okay if I use this as the official Maplepaw design? I want to cry because this is just so perfect. Thank you so much. This is me freaking out over fan art. this. Oh, so cute. This amazing piece by Dr. Meow. Oh, I couldn't find your refs anywhere, so I still haven't started with my side of the art trade. Sorry, but as soon as I find the refs, can you tag me and I post with them? Thank you. Well, this is all the fan art my channel has ever received. Thank you so much. Also, a quick spoiler for Art Fight. This is up to now. Goodbye, and thank you for everyone who has made fan art to me. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.